In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to weave a Peruvian flat braid with flat material or straight tape. Here I have 6 flat tapes taped to the table with masking tape. The right outside tape is going to become the first weft thread. The vertical tapes that I have down are the warp threads. So you'll see me here passing over and under that first warp, which has now become the weft. After now it's become the first weft pick, will turn and become a warp again. Now you can see I'm taking the second warp thread and I'm folding it under, and I continue to go over, under each pick or line of warp. You'll see here that I have the first chance to have my first weft become the warp again, and you'll see it's going to go over that second weft thread and become a up and down warp once again. This is a very versatile and simple weaving method, and what you'll notice is that the weaving is going to have like a diagonal bent to it, and it will continue on. But you'll also notice that with the use of these 3 different color tapes that the nice pattern will evolve and emerge. So I'm 3 lines in, and now my outermost warp thread is coming back after it's become the weft thread. What I notice is that sometimes I like to fold my threads over or under, depending on how I want them to become, hiding that 45-degree angle on the edge, so that you just saw me repair one that I didn't like how it was folded. That's it. Very simple, and this process just continues on. You'll see here I'm coming close to the end already of my flat woven braid, and so I have to now decide what to do next. Here I'm going to untape the top, and I've decided I'm going to just give a flat tape edge to the top. This is just a sample, so I wasn't too concerned about the length. I just wanted to provide a tutorial on how to achieve this flat braid. So I'm going to go ahead and probably cut across the top and finish it with a sewn edge at the top. Here you can see the finished result. I just did a simple straight stitch and turned that top tape over the top edge, and on the bottom I actually ran just a straight stitch across to hold everything in place so that it wouldn't unravel. Pretty simple solution, but again, this isn't a large piece that I have any intention for. It was just a demonstration piece. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the process of flat braiding.